Hey everyone! Having trouble changing your summoner's name in League of Legends and seeing the "unfortunately, your desired name is not available" error? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll walk you through how to fix this issue step by step. Let's dive in. Solution 1. First, ensure your desired name meets Riot Games rules. If you're unsure about these rules, you can find them here. Feel free to pause the video and review them carefully. Solution 2. If your name complies but you still encounter the error, try playing a match before attempting to change it. Sometimes inactivity triggers this issue. If the above steps didn't work, you might need to reinstall League of Legends. Begin by closing Riot Client from the system tray. Right-click the icon and select Exit. Open Settings, navigate to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down to find League of Legends. Click the three-dot icon and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation, close all tabs, and reopen Riot Client, and click Install to reinstall the game. Once installed, you should be able to change your name without encountering the error. And that's it, you've successfully resolved the "unfortunately, your desired name is not available" problem in League of Legends. If you found this video helpful, then please consider liking it. If you have any kind of questions or suggestions regarding this issue, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.